Ever been head over heels in love, but somehow, you feel stuck? Like there's an invisible wall holding you back from moving forward in your relationship? You're not alone, and this feeling could actually be a sign that something important is happening beneath the surface. In this video, we're diving deep into what that stuck feeling really means, what it's trying to tell you, and, most importantly, how to overcome it to get your relationship back on track. Let's find that breakthrough together. Stay tuned. If this resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on navigating love and relationships. And if you're ready to take the next step in getting unstuck, drop a comment below or share your experience. Let's support each other on this journey to love that truly feels free and fulfilling. Identifying why you feel stuck. Common reasons for feeling stuck. Feeling stuck in a relationship can stem from various sources, which may be internal or relational. Unmet needs. You may feel your emotional, intellectual, or physical needs aren't being fulfilled, leading to dissatisfaction. Unresolved conflicts. Lingering arguments or unaddressed disagreements can create tension, making it difficult to feel fully connected or committed. Changing priorities. Over time, individual values or life goals can shift, which may create distance if you're not growing together. Feelings of complacency. Routine can be comforting but also lead to stagnation, where the relationship lacks the excitement or growth it once had. Self-reflection questions. Reflecting on the root cause of feeling stuck can offer valuable insight. When did I first start feeling this way? Was there a specific event or period that triggered it? Do I feel like I am holding back my true self in any way? Are there specific areas where I feel disconnected or unsatisfied, emotionally, intellectually, or physically? Are my feelings tied more to the relationship or to my personal life and goals? Understanding external versus internal causes. Differentiating between personal and relational challenges is essential. Internal causes. These may relate to your personal growth, identity, or fears. Feeling unfulfilled in life outside the relationship, low self-confidence, or unmet personal goals could contribute to feeling stagnant. External/relational causes. These are issues specific to the relationship, such as a lack of emotional support, intimacy, or communication. Rediscovering your own identity. How personal growth impacts relationships. Often, feeling stuck can result from becoming overly immersed in the relationship to the point where personal goals and passions get neglected. This can lead to a loss of individuality and create a sense of dependence or stagnation. When one partner grows individually, it can bring renewed energy and perspective to the relationship. Reconnecting with your individuality. Encourage readers to revisit hobbies, interests, or dreams that may have taken a back seat. Suggest practical ways to rediscover these, such as exploring new interests or rekindling old ones. Setting aside dedicated personal time to nurture their individuality. Taking small steps to pursue a personal goal they may have delayed. Exercises for self-discovery. Journaling prompts. What activities make me feel truly alive? What did I enjoy before this relationship? Or, what are 3 dreams or goals I'd like to pursue independently? Vision boarding. Create a vision board that focuses on personal aspirations outside of the relationship. This can help visualize and commit to areas of individual growth. Daily reflection. Set aside a few minutes each day to reflect on personal growth and progress towards goals. Assessing relationship dynamics. Understanding relationship patterns. Many relationships develop patterns that can foster connection or create distance. Codependency. Relying heavily on each other for happiness can limit personal growth, leading to an unhealthy dynamic. Lack of communication. Poor communication can breed misunderstandings and prevent deeper intimacy. Routine and predictability. Routines can be grounding but may eventually stifle the relationship if spontaneity and connection are missing. Analyzing your current dynamic. Understanding your roles in the relationship can help identify what's out of balance. Some tools to try. Reflective journaling. Reflect individually on questions like, what do I bring to the relationship, and what does my partner bring? Joint analysis: sit together and discuss aspects of the relationship, asking open-ended questions about what each person values, what habits you both rely on, and how you could support each other better. Identifying what's working and what's not. Encourage readers to look at both the positive aspects of their relationship and areas needing improvement. Strengths: what moments or activities make the relationship feel strongest? Is there a shared vision or experience that reinforces connection? Weaknesses: are there recurring issues or moments where you feel unseen, unappreciated, or disconnected? Identifying these can help guide discussions on creating change. Communicating your needs and feelings. The importance of open communication. Open communication creates a safe space for discussing uncomfortable emotions. By addressing feelings of being stuck, both partners can understand each other's experiences and work together toward solutions. Emphasize that discussing feelings openly builds trust and transparency, setting the foundation for growth. Strategies for effective communication. Effective communication techniques encourage openness and reduce defensiveness. Active listening: be fully present, listen without interrupting, and validate each other's feelings. Use I statements: phrase feelings in terms of I to avoid blame. For example, I feel disconnected when we don't spend time together, rather than, you never make time for us. Express needs clearly, avoid vague language, instead being specific about what actions or changes you hope for. Tips for handling difficult conversations. When discussing sensitive topics like feeling stuck, it's essential to be gentle and respectful. Choose the right time. Timing is crucial. Find a moment when both partners are calm and willing to engage. Focus on solutions. Instead of dwelling on problems, frame the conversation around possible improvements and actionable steps. Stay calm and open. Resist becoming defensive or taking things personally. Remind yourselves that this is a shared effort to strengthen the relationship. Rekindling connection and intimacy. Rebuilding emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is the foundation of a lasting connection, and strengthening it requires intentional effort. Practical ways to rekindle emotional closeness include practicing gratitude. Regularly expressing appreciation for each other helps create a positive atmosphere and fosters emotional bonding. Couples can take turns sharing one thing they're grateful for about each other daily. Creating rituals. Establishing small, meaningful routines can help build a sense of emotional security. This might include morning check-ins, weekly date nights, or unwinding together at the end of the day. Sharing new experiences. Engaging in new activities can help break out of routines and deepen emotional bonds. Consider traveling to new places, trying a new hobby, or taking a class together to share fresh, exciting experiences. Physical intimacy and connection. Physical closeness is vital for maintaining romance and connection in a relationship. Reigniting physical intimacy can include non-sexual physical touch. Physical affection like holding hands, hugging, or cuddling can help reignite connection, making both partners feel valued and loved. Exploring new forms of intimacy. Intimacy isn't just about sex, it's about connection. Explore new ways to be physically intimate, like dancing together, giving each other massages, or simply spending time in each other's physical presence. Making time for romance. In long-term relationships, romance often fades into routine. Reintroduce romance by planning spontaneous date nights, writing love notes, or engaging in thoughtful gestures like cooking a favorite meal for one another. Quality time and shared activities. Intentional, uninterrupted time together is crucial to reconnecting. To break out of monotonous routines. Plan unplugged time. Commit to spending time together without distractions like phones or TV. This might include activities like hiking, playing games, or simply talking over a cup of coffee. Shared hobbies. Find activities that both partners enjoy, which can increase emotional and physical connection. Whether it's cooking, reading, gardening, or exercising, shared interests create opportunities for meaningful bonding. Spontaneity and play. inject spontaneity into the relationship by occasionally doing something unexpected, like surprise dates or weekend trips, to keep the spark alive. Chapter 6: Setting Personal and Shared Goals. Why goals matter in relationships. Shared goals align a couple's vision for the future and foster a sense of teamwork. Goals give both partners something to work toward together, whether it's buying a house, traveling, or raising a family. They promote collaboration and provide a roadmap for the relationship's growth. Creating individual and couple goals. Setting both individual and shared goals is key to nurturing a relationship where both partners feel supported. Individual goals: each partner should have personal aspirations outside of the relationship. These might include career goals, fitness ambitions, or personal development targets. Shared goals: these goals focus on mutual desires, like financial plans, relationship milestones, or raising children. It's essential to ensure both partners feel heard in goal-setting discussions. Balance and flexibility: encourage a balance where both individual and couple goals are given equal attention, and flexibility is maintained to adapt to life's changes. Staying accountable and supportive. To achieve goals together, partners must be each other's support system. Regular check-ins: schedule periodic conversations to assess progress on both personal and shared goals. This keeps both partners accountable and reassures them that their dreams are being supported. Celebrate milestones: celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's a personal achievement or a relationship goal met, taking time to recognize progress keeps motivation high. Building emotional resilience together. Coping with life's ups and downs as a team. Relationships are tested through life's challenges, and navigating these together builds emotional resilience. Couples who support each other through hardships strengthen their bond. Mutual support: cultivate a partnership where both individuals feel comfortable leaning on each other for support during difficult times. Collective problem solving: tackle challenges together, using teamwork to find solutions. This collaborative approach strengthens emotional resilience. Managing stress together. Managing stress is essential for maintaining a harmonious relationship. Stress relief techniques: explore stress reduction practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or physical activity. Doing these together can bond a couple and offer relief from tension. Problem solving as a team: stressful situations often involve a need for decision-making. Learn to solve problems together, listening to each other's perspectives and finding a middle ground. Reinforce positivity: acknowledge your partner's efforts, and affirm their strengths in times of stress, making them feel appreciated and supported. Learning to grow through challenges. Stress and adversity can serve as catalysts for growth. Instead of viewing challenges as setbacks, encourage couples to embrace them as opportunities. Reframe challenges: encourage a mindset that sees obstacles as moments of growth that can strengthen the relationship. Learn from setbacks: view setbacks as lessons. Reflecting on how you've grown through previous challenges can give hope during tough times. Developing conflict resolution skills. The impact of unresolved conflict. Unresolved conflicts create tension and prevent growth in relationships. They can make couples feel emotionally disconnected and stuck, as issues continue to simmer beneath the surface. Prolonged disagreements: when disagreements go unresolved, they can breed resentment, eventually leading to emotional distancing. Stress on the relationship: constant unresolved conflict creates ongoing stress, making it harder for couples to feel safe or comfortable. Healthy conflict resolution techniques. Navigating disagreements constructively can lead to growth and understanding. Use "I" statements: focus on expressing your feelings rather than blaming your partner. This can reduce defensiveness and foster empathy. Compromise: encourage finding middle ground by focusing on solutions that work for both partners. Patience and empathy: give each other the space to process emotions, and show compassion for differing viewpoints. The power of apology and forgiveness. Healing after conflict requires both partners to practice apology and forgiveness. Apologize sincerely: acknowledge mistakes with genuine apologies and avoid dismissing feelings. Forgive to move forward, let go of past grudges to avoid carrying unnecessary emotional weight. Forgiveness allows for healing and progress. Re-evaluating core values and compatibility. Checking in on your values. Over time, individual values may evolve, which can affect the relationship. It's important to reassess both partners' core beliefs and ensure alignment. Honest conversations. Periodically check in with your partner about your evolving goals, needs, and beliefs. Changing values. As individuals grow, so do their values, which may affect their compatibility. If values no longer align, it's vital to discuss how to adjust. Assessing compatibility in long-term relationships. Compatibility goes beyond initial attraction. Over time, it's important to assess whether long-term goals, lifestyle choices, and values still align. Life priorities. Check in on whether your long-term vision for family, career, and personal life still matches your partner's. Lifestyle compatibility. Assess whether daily routines, finances, and social preferences are in harmony. When values shift. When values begin to shift, it's essential to approach these changes with patience and understanding. Open dialogue. Communicate openly about evolving values. If you find that you're drifting apart, discuss ways to bridge the gap or adjust expectations. Compromise. In some cases, compromise may be necessary to continue moving forward together while respecting each other's differences. Embracing change and letting go of expectations. How expectations affect relationships. Rigid or unrealistic expectations can hinder growth and satisfaction in relationships. It's important to let go of idealized notions and allow the relationship to develop naturally.